Shout out Ty, free my dad, free Sweet, free all them niggas, man. Yeah, it's crazy. I said, niggas keep testing me. The 40, that's the weapon, B. Run the bone, rest in peace. Niggas, man, they dead. I'ma grip the full, the Ruger or the gauge. All the niggas hating, I'm lame on his face. I said, my dad taught me things up in this game. How to move, work. I had to get my bread first. How to move that work. I said, my dad put me on up in this game. My guns gave me straps, man. I'ma let that shit flame. When I'm fat with you too, you don't hear it sound. I'm young kid on this beat, tryna go ham. I said I'm shotting out them niggas, that's really real. All them niggas hating on me, I get them killed. I'm strapped down, ready for you fuck boys. Niggas say they want me, man, them niggas really lunch, boy. Fuck it, I said I'm going ham, dog. All them niggas need me, I'ma rip the pound, dog. I said I'm coming from Chester, bitch. On the dark block, niggas on these narc watch. I'ma grip the Ford, man. I'm laying on that chalk spot. Niggas had the chalk dot. I'ma bring the chalk out. Real rap, I don't play that shit. Niggas talking all that rap, I'ma spray that shit. Real rap, niggas know about the game. 40 with the scope, man. Lay him out the frame. I'ma tear him out the frame. I'm on only 16. Hating niggas see me, man. I'm trying to chase a big dream. Shout out to my fucking shooter. BG lay you on your back with that Ruger. Shout out to my man, he a really fucking boxer. Lay you on your top, man, straight you with the rockers. Ty, he can really get it in. Kev, I'm a shooter, man, split your wig, I get it in. I caught a fucking body, dog. Now I'm